Hi, here I am again. Overcast condition. I'm outdoor, deciding to do a live broadcast from outdoors. Why did I decide to do that? I just wanted to step out of my office for a little while. Monday morning, lots of work to do at the office, but I decided to step out and address something that I started on Friday, I think, on my radio program, which is massages. Talk about massages, talk a bit about it, even let the viewers out there know that we are offering classes in massages. We are offering jobs in massages for those who are interested in getting a job as a masseuse, doing the training. We do the proper training. We do the actual training at our office in St. Augustine. We make sure you are a properly trained masseuse, because when somebody comes for a massage, that's what we give them. We are not in the business of fooling people by saying we're doing massages and it is something else. So I want persons to be very aware of that. I train my people to do massages. Now, of course, if you go into the room to get your massages done and whatnot and you decide to do something else, that's totally up to you, but we do not encourage that, because when you come for a massage, you're supposed to sign a document stating that you're here for a massage. So if you decide to do a massage at our Total Image branch, at our adult boutique, Dr. Raj Adult Boutique in Bamboo number 3, Princestown, or in Debe, you know you are getting a massage from persons who have been trained in massages. Now, for those of you who want to actually learn massaging, maybe to massage your partner, to have the knowledge, so that when you get into a relationship with someone and you decide that the person comes home, they're tired, they ask you to do a massage for them, you can actually do it. For guys who want to make their wives feel special, their girlfriend feel special, by doing a massage, we also encourage those things. So that's what we do. We are training persons to do massages. And of course, if you're looking for employment, because there are lots of individuals who are out there now because of school, being out of school, looking for a job, looking to make ends meet, have to take care of a child, whatever. We also provide employment. So it's not only the training, but we also provide employment for you. It could be full or part-time. It could be employment during the day. It could be employment at night. It all depends on you and your availability. Of course, your training will determine what type of massages you can do. And we start with the basic full body massage. You have full body, you have body to body massage, you have fantasy massage. There are different types of massage. You have deep tissue massage. You have massages that can really make the person feel as though they're enjoying that sense of touch, that sense of chemistry between you and the person. Now it's starting to rain, so I love the rain, but I'm not going to sit here in the rain for too long. It's drizzling, so it's a good thing, because it gives me a chance to walk about in the back of my office, where it's a bit forested at the moment, because my guy is not doing his job cleaning up as he should. But I like spending time on the outdoors also. It helps me to connect with nature, to let persons know that it's not just an office environment and doing things from that perspective, but also I like to connect with nature all the time, so it's something that I really enjoy. But getting back to massages, if you want to learn to do proper massages, you must have the mindset for it. You must be determined. You must have an open mind towards dealing with these things, understanding these things, knowing that when you're going to give a massage to someone, you're actually transferring energy, and you're also receiving energies from the person. So you don't want to go into it with a mindset of being closed-minded. You have to be very open-minded, and you must be able to express yourself in such a way. But the training is what helps you, because even though you're open-minded and you don't have the training, you wouldn't know what to do. Massaging is not rubbing someone. It's not caressing them. It is actually massaging the person. So you want to be able to do that massage in a proper manner. You want to be able to do it. Now it's raining very heavy. How do I get back? Let's see. I have to find a way back. Anyway, yeah, it's you actually transferring that energy from yourself onto the person. If you like the person, if you love the person, if you care for the person, it comes out in your massage. The way you touch the person, the way you apply the pressure onto the individual, the things that you do to the different body parts. And we were talking on the program about a foot massage. We were talking about the way you can do a massage without it being sexual, because sometimes we want to just simply caress and touch and get that sense of belonging to the person, that sense of self, that sense of wanting to be with the person. So you can do a massage in such a way that you let the person know how you feel about them, and it doesn't have to be sexual. Of course, it could lead to something sexual, and that is between two consented adults whatever they need to do, a husband and wife, whatever you need to do in the room with your partner. When I say a room, I don't mean a massage room. I mean at your home or wherever you choose to do a massage. Now you could do a massage on the ground, you could do it on a bed, you could do it on a massage table, you could do it on a massage chair. There are many ways you can do a massage. As a matter of fact, we'll be talking more about massages on the massage chair, and we're going to give an actual demonstration of a massage on a massage chair, but that will be later on. Right now, I'm concentrating on getting individuals to come and learn to do massages. We will have classes starting very soon. Prashant is the one who will be taking care of that. So if you want to contact Prashant, I think he's going to give you all his number or a way to contact him, because he sees about my IT and he sees about those things, and I'm very pleased with the job that he's doing. So I'm very thankful for Prashant and the things that he's been doing. But if you want to learn about these things, if you want to become a masseuse, if you want to just learn about massaging in the best possible way to take care of your partner's need for your needs, and sometimes just to relax, sometimes to do something different in the bedroom with your significant other, come and learn about massages. If you want a job thereafter, if you want to be employed as a masseuse or a massage therapist, we will also provide you with that job. So we train both male and female. The males are usually on call. The females are here on the job. They are at the different locations. So you can be located anyway from the north to the south, anywhere along those areas. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can come in and put in your hours. You can make your money. You get tips also, because persons who get a good massage, they will want to tip you. They'll want to tell you you've done a good job. So if you're open to that, let me know. You can also reach me at 7401961. My number again, 7401961. You can reach us at the office, 645-9829 or 645-4543. You can get in touch with Prashant. You can get in touch with us to find out about the massage therapy, to find out about the job opportunities, and also to find out what you can do to take care of your partner's need when it comes to a massage, doing a massage properly, doing it in a professional manner, but at the same time providing the sensuality that you need to provide so that your partner feels good. That's my broadcast for today. Until next time. Bye.